My life is just guys, I just have a lot going on. Like, even if I'm not at work, there's always something. So your life is just busy. I feel like the days are just passing by fast, rapid, bro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nayoka. Guys, this one is not gonna be short. Guys, this one is gonna be a very short video. As you guys can see, it's night time. It's like 12 a.m. right now. I'm just leaving work at the bus stop. The bus is not coming until in the next 15 minutes. So I just decided to do this little video, chatting with you guys. Yeah, so to all my international students who are already in Canada or who are thinking to come to Canada, guys, let me tell you from first hand, it's not easy. It's not easy, guys, and you have to be very strategic about your program that you choose. Don't just come because you want to choose a program and you wanted this and you want to get your PR after this and yada yada. Don't just choose a program. Be strategic. Watch the news. See what's going on in Canada. Don't just apply for any program, because then at the end of the day, you're just gonna be here in the merry-go-round, going round and round, and anxiety is gonna get you. So you wanna be very strategic. Choose the programs. Like now, they're doing program specified draws. Most of you already know. So, like, if you haven't come to Canada yet or haven't applied for your school yet, make sure that you choose one of those programs, right? Don't just choose whatever program. I mean, you might like a particular thing, but if your aim is to get a PR, then you have to make sure that you're strategic about it. You can't just do whatever, because at the end of the day, the school fee is very expensive. Guys, my hand is hurting me. Woo! I need my tripod. This video wasn't planned. I just left work and I'm like 15 minutes for the next bus. Bruh, I might as well just do a video. The lighting is not too good either, but let me see if I can get a better lighting. Yeah, that's the best I can do. So yeah, like as I said, be strategic about your program, because like, guys, man, you might not see me posting every minute, but the reason for that is because, like, when I have 2 jobs, so I do 2 part-time jobs and I do 15 hours minimum per week. Actually, I do more than 15 hours per job, but like, it too much for the hours needed for your work. I just do 15 at one, and then I get 3 days off so that it's easier for me. But like, it's very hard because I started working at 8 o'clock this morning at the other job, and then I'm just leaving work now. So imagine the amount of hours that I put in for one day. So like, I do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at the 2 jobs, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. But on the side, I do like my catering, baking, and all that stuff. So my life is just guys, I just have a lot going on. Like, even if I'm not at work, there's always something. So your life is just busy. I feel like the days are just passing by fast, rapid, bro. Anyways, 10 more minutes for my bus. 10 more minutes for the bus to come, guys. I can't stand up anymore because I'm tired. So yeah, so basically I'm just leaving work, put my shoes on and everything. Yeah, it's very like Canada is beautiful, Canada is nice, but like it's very hard when, you know, as an international student, you come here thinking that everything is just gonna be smooth sailing on a boat ride, but guess what, it's not gonna be smooth sailing on a boat ride. So you guys have to come with the mindset that it's not gonna be smooth. You just have to come with the mindset that you have to put in the work, you have to make sure you do everything according to the rules, and then you will survive. But if you don't do that, you will not survive. You'll just be depressed and you want to go back home, right? And the reason for you to come here to spend so much money is not to go back home at the end of the day, right? I don't know if you guys can hear me now because of traffic. Can you believe it's like after 12 a.m. now? And look at the traffic. Look at how many cars are passing. It's so busy. Busy, 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 busy. And it's midnight. So imagine, this is Canada. Like, Canada doesn't sleep 24/7. Busy. Yeah, guys, like, anyway, just bear with me, guys. I'll send videos when I can, trying to fit my YouTube into all this mix, but one day I'll be settled and I can record videos as much as I want and have time to edit. Because like the thing is that I think I have like maybe 6 videos right now that I recorded, and I still haven't gotten the chance to edit them yet. 6 videos, and by the time I'm done editing, it might be outdated, like, because those videos are videos that I recorded like months ago, you know. So like things have changed, so like even if I post those videos now, it's not gonna be matching up to anything, you know, like this one that's recent. So guys, just bear with me. As I said, I'll post videos when I can. I'll give you some tips and tricks and whatever I can post about, whatever vlog. Yeah, well, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and I hope you guys have a good day wherever you are. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.